Hey there! Today we're diving into a 12-minute video about a professional skill set. You know, a professional skill set encompasses a range of valuable abilities in the workplace, regardless of industry or role. But first, subscribe. Alright, let's get into it. Number 1. Communication skills. This includes verbal communication, written communication, presentation skills, active listening, and of course, non-verbal communication. Moving on to number 2, technical skills. This covers industry-specific software proficiency, data analysis, coding or programming if relevant, technical writing, and digital literacy. Leadership and management skills are, well, essential for any professional looking to climb the ladder. These include team management, decision-making, strategic planning, conflict resolution, and delegation. Mastering these can really set you apart in the workplace. Interpersonal skills are, vital for creating strong professional relationships. These skills encompass emotional intelligence, networking, collaboration, empathy, and negotiation. Developing these can significantly enhance your ability to work effectively with others. Organizational skills are crucial for maintaining productivity and efficiency. Key aspects include time management, project management, prioritization, attention to detail, and multitasking. Excelling in these areas can, without a doubt, boost your overall performance in any role. Problem-solving skills are essential in any professional setting. They encompass several key abilities, such as critical thinking, creativity, and analytical skills. Troubleshooting and research skills also play a crucial role in effectively addressing challenges and finding innovative solutions. Adaptability skills are increasingly important in today's fast-paced world. Flexibility and learning agility enable individuals to thrive in changing environments. Mastering change management, resilience, and open-mindedness helps professionals navigate and embrace new situations with ease. Business acumen is a critical competency for anyone in the corporate world. It involves financial literacy and a keen awareness of market dynamics. Strategic thinking and a strong customer focus are vital, along with upholding high standards of business ethics. Together, these skills ensure sound decision-making and long-term success. Self-management skills, self-motivation, stress management, work ethic, continuous learning, and self-awareness. Digital skills, social media proficiency, online collaboration tools, basic graphic design, digital marketing fundamentals, and cybersecurity awareness. Developing these skills can significantly enhance one's professional capabilities and career prospects. The specific skills most valuable to you will depend on your industry, role, and career goals. Continuous learning is a crucial aspect of personal and professional development. Here are some examples of how one might engage in continuous learning. 1. Formal education. Pursuing advanced degrees, like a master's or a PhD, taking individual college courses, attending professional certification programs. 2. Online learning. Enrolling in massive open online courses, or MOOCs, from platforms like Coursera, edX, or Udacity. Taking skill-specific courses on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or LinkedIn Learning. Participating in webinars or virtual conferences. Reading. Regularly reading books related to your field or interests. Subscribing to industry journals or academic publications. Following thought leaders' blogs or newsletters. Workplace learning. participating in company-provided training programs, seeking mentorship from more experienced colleagues, taking on new responsibilities or projects to learn on the job. Skill practice, working on personal projects to apply new skills, volunteering for organizations to gain practical experience, participating in coding challenges or hackathons, especially for tech skills. Professional development, attending industry conferences or workshops, joining professional associations and participating in their events, obtaining and maintaining professional certifications. Peer learning, participating in study groups or book clubs, engaging in online forums or communities related to your field, attending local meetups or interest groups. Teaching others, mentoring junior colleagues or students, creating content like blog posts, videos, or podcasts to share knowledge, presenting at conferences, or giving talks. Experiential learning, traveling to experience different cultures and perspectives, taking up new hobbies that challenge you mentally or physically, seeking out diverse life experiences. Reflective practice, keeping a learning journal to reflect on experiences and lessons, regularly setting and reviewing personal learning goals, seeking feedback and conducting self-assessments. Exploring formal education options for continuous learning. Let's expand on these points. Formal education, pursuing advanced degrees such as master's and PhD programs. Master's degrees usually take 1 to 2 years full-time, focusing on advanced knowledge in a specific field. PhD programs typically span 3 to 7 years, involving original research and a dissertation. The benefits include in-depth knowledge, networking opportunities, and potential career advancement. Considerations include the time commitment, cost, and balancing work and study. Taking individual college courses. You can audit courses, which means attending classes without receiving credit, often at a lower cost. 4-credit courses allow you to earn credits that could potentially be applied to a degree later. There are online versus in-person options, giving you the flexibility to choose based on your schedule and learning style. The benefits here are targeted learning, flexibility, and the potential to test the waters before committing to a full program. Attending professional certification programs. These include industry-specific certifications like PMP for project management or CPA for accounting, technology certifications such as AWS, Cisco, and Microsoft, and healthcare certifications in various nursing specializations. The benefits are that these certifications demonstrate expertise, are often required or preferred for certain positions, and typically have a shorter duration than degree programs. Additional formal education options include executive education programs. These are short, intensive courses offered by business schools, often designed for working professionals. They focus on leadership, management, and specific business areas. Then, there are vocational or trade school programs. These provide hands-on training in specific trades or technical skills. They are often shorter and more directly career-focused than traditional degrees. Postgraduate diplomas or certificates are also an option. They are more specialized than a bachelor's degree, but less extensive than a full master's. These can be a stepping stone to a master's degree or a standalone qualification. When considering these options, it's important to align the education with your career goals and interests. Also consider the time commitment and how it fits your current responsibilities. Evaluate the cost and potential return on investment. Research the reputation and accreditation of the institution or program. And finally, look into employer support, such as tuition reimbursement programs. Online learning options and reading strategies for continuous learning. Online learning. Massive open online courses, or MOOCs, Coursera, Offers courses from top universities worldwide, specializations and professional certificates available, and the option to earn accredited degrees online. edX, founded by Harvard and MIT, provides MicroMasters programs and professional certificates. Courses in a wide range of subjects, from computer science to humanities. Udacity focuses on tech-related fields, offering nano-degree programs in collaboration with industry leaders, with an emphasis on practical, job-ready skills. Skills-specific platforms. Udemy. A vast library of courses on diverse topics. Self-paced learning with lifetime access to purchased courses, and often offers significant discounts on courses. Skillshare project-based learning approach with an emphasis on creative skills like design, photography, and writing. Subscription-based model for unlimited access. LinkedIn Learning, formerly lynda.com, professional development focus, integrated with LinkedIn profiles, and courses taught by industry experts. Webinars and virtual conferences. Real-time interaction with presenters and attendees. Access to cutting-edge information and trends in your field, and networking opportunities, even in a virtual setting. Platforms like Zoom, WebEx, or GoToWebinar are often used. Reading. Books related to your field. Set a reading goal, for example, 1 book per month. Mix of classics in your field and new releases. Consider both technical books and those on soft skills. Use services like Goodreads or Amazon for recommendations. Industry journals and academic publications. Subscribe to top journals in your field. Many offer digital subscriptions or access through institutional memberships. Use platforms like JSTOR or Google Scholar for academic papers. Consider setting up alerts for new publications on topics of interest. Thought leaders' blogs and newsletters. Identify key influencers in your industry. Subscribe to their email newsletters for regular updates. Use RSS readers like Feedly to aggregate blog posts. Follow thought leaders on professional social media platforms. Additional tips for effective online learning and reading. Create a learning schedule to maintain consistency. Take notes and summarize key points to reinforce learning. Join or create study groups for MOOCs or book discussions. Apply what you learn through projects or at work. Share your insights with colleagues or on professional networks. Use spaced repetition techniques to review and retain information. Experiment with different learning formats to find what works best for you. If you like the video, subscribe, hit the bell and